So, ayan naman yung kalaban ko, yung radyo ng nanay ko. Pero tapos na ako sa pagkakapi ng mga um, possible questions to get to know me. Possible questions. Hey guys! For today's video, it's me again, Jonaline Sumugat. It's been a long time since I posted a sit-down vlog. So, as you can see to the title down below, it's Get to Know Me and Ask Away. So, ang gagawin natin is I'll be picking a number here. It's 1 to 10 and then answering a question for you to know me. So, gagawin ko tong content nito, it's because I realized recently na ilang years na rin pala ako dito sa YouTube na nakatambay. I mean YouTube. So, I started YouTube way back 2018 and that's second year high school ako. And then, nagpo-post ako ng mga videos and content. Pero wala akong viewers, wala akong subscribers, as in. Pero now, since I'm grateful to have the 102 subscribers and I'm thankful kasi kahit pa paano meron nang nanonood, meron na akong tagapanood. But yeah, for better days, alam ko na papunta rin tayo sa successful magiging YouTuber in the future. But yeah, to get to know me, just stay there. So, ayun, nalubat yung iPad. Kaya minano-mano ko talaga yung pagsulat ng mga questions na meron kayo. So, if you don't know me, I'm Jonaline Sumugat. You can follow me to my Instagram account, TikTok account, and Facebook account. Let's move on to Ask Away. So, nagkakape ako right now. I am using the coffee cups from Orange Up. If you want, I can link it down below. Alam niyo yung kape na iniinom ko right now hanggang dito. So, yun yung pagmamahal ng kape. Pero yung coffee na iniinom ko is for healthy talaga siya. Healthy coffee. So, not further ado, yung radyo pa lang ng nanay ko yung kalaban ko sa ingay. Let's get start. So, this is the tissue papers, pero may mga numbers to. Okay. So, let's get start with number 8. Number 8. Kita niyo ba? Ayan. Number 8. So, the question here, favorite perfume. So, right now, yung favorite perfume ko is from Ian Darcy. Yung, alam niyo guys, nakita ko yung standee nila sa SM and sa Ayala. I thought yung perfume nila is naghahalaga ng 1,000. Though, yes, 1,000 for 3 perfumes ata. And each perfume costs 400 pesos. So, meron akong perfume talaga, or hindi siya perfume eh, parang siyang cologne lang. No, it's a cologne talaga. And yung favorite ko doon, kasi dalawang pagpipilian lang, is yung kulay blue and yung kulay orange ba yan or yellow. Basta yun, naka-colorblind ako te. Pero yung color yellow talaga yung favorite ko. So, cologne ba't ako nauutal? Cologne lang yun. Pero yun yung favorite ko. As in, sobrang bango niya. And nilalagay ko siya dito sa refill bottle ko. So, it looks like the Iron Darcy na lalagyan din. Pero yung sa Iron Darcy kasi is kulay white yung ganito niya. But, ito na lang yung natira. Pangalawang refill ko to gamit yung Iron Darcy cologne. I'm just going to put a clip para makita nyo kung ano yung cologne na sinasabi ko. So, let's move on to second question. It's number 7. Number 7. Haluin ko muna, guys. Parang hindi ito makatarungan eh. Chares. So, number 7. The question here is, what is your favorite song? Yung favorite song ko is, ilalagay ko lang dito. Pero, wait lang. Favorite song ko ba to? Bakit, bakit nakalimutan yung title ng favorite song? Pero, welcome to New York. Ganyan. Kasi, gusto ko talagang puntahan is New York. I want to live in New York. As in New York? Yes. Monaco at New York yung gusto kong puntahan. But, for the first country na gusto kong puntahan is yung USA. Then, pupunta ako sa New York City talaga. As in, let's just cross our fingers today. But, maybe in the future, nandun na tayo. Pero, ayan, I'm just gonna put here kung anong title ng song na yun. But yeah, that is my favorite. So, hindi naman siguro porket favorite mo yung song, kabisado mo na. 'Di ba yung title? But yeah. So, for the next question here is number 4. Number 4. So, for number 4, the question here, where is number 4? Latest thing that made you cry. Latest thing that made me cry. Siguro finances. Currently, right now, I, hindi naman nagsistruggle. I mean, nagsistruggle, pero hindi ganun ka super, super nahihirapan like before. I think, yun. Pero financial. Because I am looking forward for my blah, blah, blah. Ayokong sabihin sa inyo. Ayokong kaawaan nyo ako. But, yun, financial, that's made me cry. Kahit meron ka namang pera, pero naiiyak ka, like, talaga lang ha. Okay, next question. Ano number to? Okay, number 6. Number 6. So, the question in number 6 is, what is my full name? Which is, na-answer ko na kanina. It's Junaline Albaladejo Sumugat. Supposed to be yung name ko, sabi ng mama ko. Hindi yan Jonaline eh. It's supposed to be Gladys Erica Sumugat. Pero, napakaganda, diba? Tapos, naging Jonaline lang. Pero, I'm grateful with that name because combination siya ng nanay ko at ng tatay ko, which is Junior and Lin, which is L-E-N, dapat. Pero, naging L-Y-N siya. You know, kasi yung dalawa kong ate, yung name talaga nila is LG, parang may meaning yun ha. LG and then DM. So, dapat sa akin is GE, which is first letter and ng mama ko and first letter ng papa ko. Pero hindi yun. Pal-decision sila eh. Kaya, Jonaline na lang. But you can call me Jules para maging close tayo ng sobrang lubusa. Like, ako lang to. Ba't ako nagmamadali sa vlog na to? It's Get to Know Me vlog, but para siyang Q&A na para siyang ask away. Basta ask away to ha. If you want to know more about me, like personal questions naman to. Pero if you want to know the whole me, the me talaga, then you can put down your questions down below so that I can answer it next time. But yeah. So the number is 1. Number 1. Which do you prefer, scary movies or happy endings? Kasi matakotin akong tao, so mas prefer ko na happy endings. As in, kasi kapag scary movies na hindi yan nawawala sa isip ko, and it will stuck there, it will stay there for almost a week bago ako makalimutan yung ganong ano. Kahit Sa pamilya namin, te, kapag merong namatay, hindi ako makaka-recover niyan ng ilang weeks or months. Tapos, mawala lang yung takot ko kapag, like, example, namatay nung April yung lola ko, ganon. Tapos, naka-recover lang ako na hindi na ako natatakot mag-isa. I mean, nung March siya namatay. Pero nung April, hanggang May ata, as in, hindi ako lang mag-isa dito sa bahay. As in, gusto ko may kasama ako. So right now, as you can see, ako lang mag-isa. Baka meron kayong nakikita, tang-inan nyo. Charis lang. So, ayun. Yan. I prefer happy endings. Yan. Kasi matakotin ako. Happy endings. And kasi naman, kapag happy endings, doon ako nabibitin sa mga libro or movies. Kaya, yung happy endings, it will stuck also on my mind. Tapos, i-stalk ko yung mga character, ganon, or yung maghahanap ako ng panibagong episode ng watch ko or another book na binabasa ko. Ganun ako. Kasi maloloka talaga ako kapag happy ending. And kapag scary movie, ayun, matatakot ako for the whole week or for the whole month. So, bawal yun sa akin. So, next. Apat na questions lang yung meron. Or lima. Anong number to? Wala ka. Anong number to? Ako nagsulat. Okay, number 10. Number 10. What is my zodiac sign? So, yung zodiac sign ko is Capricorn. Capricorn. Yun lang, Capricorn. Hindi naman ako... Kasi yung zodiac sign, hindi man naman talaga yun. Minsan, siya, accurate sa buhay mo. Minsan, hindi. So, di ko to talaga or ginawang buhay yung zodiac sign ko kasi it's just a zodiac sign. So, Capricorn ako. Yun lang. Yun lang, wala na akong masasabi. Okay? Hala ka, eh. Nagmamadali ka talaga. Kape muna tayo, turn. So, next question is, nagmamadali ako kasi kapag hindi ko to pinadalian, girl, minsan may dadating na parcel, may tatawag sa akin, out of naman ako sa pagbibideo, kaya, girl, kaya natin to. And it's almost 13 minutes na. So, number 9. Number 9, saan ka? Favorite things to do? Makeup. I really love doing my makeup. And no, skincare and makeup. Pero mas prefer ko skincare. Yeah, skincare and makeup. I really love doing skincare. I really love doing makeup. Kaya minsan, paulit-ulit yung mga vlog ko about skincare and makeups kasi yun yung gusto ko. And, syempre, simula 2018, kung hindi ko love yung pagbe-video or pagbablog, hindi ko pilitin yung sarili ko dito. So, I really love doing contents, doing videos, and posting it on YouTube, malamang. Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, subscribe ka na, please lang. Pilitin ko to, yung pangarap ko. Hala. So, next one is, ba't dito ako sa notebook nakatingin? Nandito yung numbers. Tanga ka ba? Nalobat kasi yung iPad. Hindi, meron percent yun kanina eh. Pero nung mag-start na akong mag-take down notes, from my phone to the iPad, nalobat siya. Ayaw niya mag-cooperate. So, ayan na yung mga ingay. Medyo pasabog na sila. So, ayan yung minamadali ko talaga. So, let's see. Number 2. What is your course? And what year are you now? Papaiyakan niyo ako eh. Anyways, my course before ako nag-stop sa pag-aaral is BSA, which is Bachelor of Science in Accountancy, which I really want to become a CPA lawyer, as in, until eto na siya. Ang lambot ng puso ko when it comes to my course or dream. Ayan eh, dapat ito yung question na hindi ko dapat sasagutin. But anyways, yun. Yung dream course ko is, not the dream course kasi nakapag-start na ako. Yung course ko is BSA, which leads to CPA, and then if pagbigyan ni Lord, then magiging lawyer. Ayun. And then, maybe the second sem, babalik ako sa pag-aaral, and then I will take management accounting or either BA na lang or business ad. Major in financial management. Because I really love numbers. I really love money. Charis. So, ayun. Yun yun. And if you have any suggestions or any comments about my course, you can comment down below. So, the last pa ba to? Yeah, last na. Last na to. Hindi, meron pa isa. So, number 3. Kasi isa lang ni number 3. Tapos na, number 5. Yeah, number 5. So, what a tops? Anything you wanna complain? Gusto ko lang i-complain, bakit sa tinagal-tagal ako dito sa YouTube, hindi pa rin ako nakapag-gain ng maraming subscribers. Bakit hindi niyo ako pinapanood? Bakit hindi niyo tinatapos yung mga videos ko? Hindi. Charis lang. So, right now, there's nothing to complain about. There's nothing to complain about. Gusto ko lang peace of mind eh. Bakit ako magko-complain? Minuto nagko-complain naman ako sa buhay. Charis lang. So, if there's something that I want to complain is, kanino ba akong mag-complain? Kay God or sa inyo? Klaruhin nyo muna para makapagsagot ako ng tama dito. But right now, as of the moment, as of the minute, as of the second, wala akong kailangan i-complain. Okay. Grateful tayo dapat. Hala. So, the last number here, future career choice. So, if I had a chance to get those careers na gusto ko, so, ayun na sabi ko na sa inyo, I really want to become a CPA lawyer. Siyempre, a successful YouTuber in the future if pagpalain tayo or if this YouTube career if this YouTube platform is for me, then thank God. If hindi, okay lang. At least we try. Pero ayun, aside from CPA lawyer, gusto ko maging isang engineer. I want to be an architect. I want to be a doctor. I want to be para kang bata na gusto mo lahat. Pero ayun, yung mga choices ko talaga is maging isang CPA lawyer. Maging isang syempre, doctor, kasi gusto ng tatay ko yun. Gusto ko mag-engineer, kasi gusto ng nanay ko yun. At gusto ko rin yun. Gusto ko maging architect because I love arts and creations, Connect ba yun? Pero, yeah. Next is, kasi yung flight attendant, nawala na sa puso ko yun eh. Kasi parang, ang hirap maging flight attendant. Alam ko mahirap silang lahat, pero, medyo hindi ko na kaya yung flight attendant. Ano pa? Ayun, gusto ko maging CPA lawyer, doctor, engineer, and architect. Why doctor? And anong specific pagiging doktor yung gusto ko? I want to become a cardiologist. Because yung pamilya ko sa side ng papa ko, pati sa mama ko, be, mga mahihina yung puso. Charis lang. So, yun lang naman. If given a chance to have those careers, bakit hindi? Ipopost ko tong video na to kapag hindi ako naging successful 5 years from now or 10 years from now with this vlog. With this vlog ba talaga? Sana one of those careers na gusto ko matupad. Ma-receive ko. Then pray for me. So, yun lang guys for today's video. I hope may nakuha kayong information from me. But I know this is not yet a get to know me. This is not yet the final get to know me because there will be another get to know me kapag na-reach ko yung ilang views. Kahit ilang views lang, okay na yun. Bye! Yung kape ko hindi pa naubos kasi alam niyo naman, yung kape ko is isang, ang tawag dito, parang isang litro siya. Isang litro talaga to eh. Yung isang litro ko hindi pa to mapupuno. Kaya, I think 1.5 to. I don't know. Basta. Bye! Thank you for watching. Love you guys.